So for the second part of this demonstration, we're going to be looking at the voltage across a series circuit. So you've got 3 light bulbs. They have the same resistance. We're going to assume they have the same resistance. It's connected to a battery or a power supply over here. And I want to write an equation that relates the voltage across the battery to the voltage across each of these resistors. Is there an equation that we can come up with? So the first thing we'll do is we'll test the voltage across the battery, and you can see it over there. So let me zoom in a little bit, and I'm going to test it out. So I'm going to probe the power supply first. Oh, that's a little too high, so we'll go to 30. And we'll test it again. So the voltage across the power supply is somewhere right there. About 19 volts, more or less. Looks like 19 volts to me. We're looking at the 0 to 30 right now. So now let's look at the voltage across each resistor. Is it also 19 volts? So across the first light bulb, that's your power. That's the voltage that's coming out, the power, the voltage that's coming out from the first light bulb. Here's the voltage across the second. And then finally, here's the voltage across the last light bulb. And so if you have those values, how do those values stack up to the voltage of the battery supply? That'll give us our first equation for circuits in series. Next, we'll try circuits in parallel.